Reid Taylor began its operations in India in 1998, where its first suiting unit was set up in Mysore. Our Mysore plant is spread over 40 acres of land and is amongst the most technologically advanced facility for manufacturing of suiting fabric, with all critical machinery being imported from Italy, Germany and Switzerland. The premium quality suiting fabric is produced after various stages of process, which starts from dyeing of raw wool and polyester. The next stage is spinning, where raw wool and polyester are blended to make polywool yarn. This polywool yarn goes into warping and a beam is made, which is further sent for drying and then to loom shade for weaving of fabric. The woven fabric is sent to mending department for inspection and then to process house for finishing. The finished fabric goes for final inspection, cutting and is ready for delivery. The suiting factory at Mysore has been a success story, celebrating glorious 25 years of operations. It continues to deliver premium luxury suitings for men. Reid Taylor, born with the best.